Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today is Wednesday, November 16, 2022. It is 5:49 and 48 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, lower birth weight. So let's hop to it here. The traffic congestion may contribute to lower birth weight. A new study has found that stop-and-go traffic may be linked to reduced birth weight, and as many as 1.3 million pregnant people are exposed to this congestion each year. Date November 15, 2022. Source: Boston University School of Public Health. The study found consistent associations between traffic delays and a 9-gram reduction in birth weight among infants born to parents who reside in areas with heavy traffic, such as highways or freeways. More than 11 million people live within 150 meters of highways, and the study results showed that up to 1.3 million pregnant people, representing 27% of U.S. births, may be exposed to high levels of traffic congestion annually. And for years, researchers had detailed models to predict air pollution, but these models largely admit traffic congestion because it could not be measured at large scales. If there are 10,000 vehicles on a road doing stop-and-go traffic, the air pollution concentrations and likely composition is very difficult compared to 10,000 vehicles at free flow speeds. The results show that there are likely health impacts specific to congestion which are not included in most environmental risk assessments or cost-benefit analysis, and they think that those should start to be included in the conversation. The traffic delays have risen steadily across the country since 1982, and the researchers chose to examine potential links to low birth weight because it can lead to immediate and long-term consequences such as difficulty breathing, cardiovascular disease, cognitive impairment, and premature mortality. And this study is the first to examine the impact of congestion on birth outcomes, in part due to challenges measuring traffic delays in large geographic areas. Researchers utilized almost 580,000 birth certificates in Texas and measured cognition levels through data from connected vehicles and devices that reflect actual driving, volumes, and speed. After controlling for background air pollution levels, transportation noise, and other environmental co-exposures, the results also indicated that mothers who live close to the highways and freeways experienced slightly larger impacts from traffic jams, with 260,000 pregnancies occurring in the highest congestion areas. While a 9-gram reduction in weight is a relatively small decrease, the researchers say this finding lends important implications for population and environmental health. A 9-gram decrease alone isn't a clinically significant result on its own, but this result indicates that some sort of biological impacts may be happening, which will push some babies into a clinically relevant adverse impact of low birth weight. When you multiply that by 27% of all births being in high congestion areas, that small decrease in birth weight does translate into a substantial potential impact at the population level. And this data can also inform congestion-related policies and programs which occur at the local level, unlike tailpipe emissions, which are primarily regulated at the federal level. The researchers know that stop-and-go traffic further increases air pollution through extra wear and tear on the brakes and tires, so reducing emissions from gas-powered cars won't fully eliminate the hazards of congestion. The existing work shows that small changes to the local environment can reduce air pollution concentrations in nearby areas. It can be as simple as putting up sound barriers or vegetation barriers, or using zoning approaches and saying you can't build a school or daycare within a specific distance of a highway. More complex solutions may include traffic control measures such as electronic tolling or congestion pricing. In future work, the team plans to study the socioeconomic and racial disparities and exposures to traffic congestion, particularly how disparities may have changed over time from urbanization and gentrification in metropolitan areas. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have an awesome day.